Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add video inside text in CapCut PC. This is a really cool effect that makes your edits look super professional, and the best part is that it only takes a few simple steps to get it done. So let's get started. First, make sure you already have your video placed on the timeline. Through that, add some text on another layer. Type whatever you want. Just for this example, I'll type the number 1. Once you've done that, change the text color to black and increase its size until it fully covers the entire screen. This creates the base layer that we'll use to mask the video inside the text. Now add another text layer. This time type in the actual word you want to use. For example, I'll type Lahore. Make sure to pick a bold font so the video shows clearly through the text. Change the text color to white and adjust its position and size so it fits perfectly over the video. Once everything is aligned, select both text layers and turn them into a compound clip. After that, go to the settings and choose the option for Remove Background. Then select Chroma key, tap on the white color and apply it. What happens now is that the video fills in the inside of your bold text, giving it that cinematic video inside text effect. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more editing tutorials.